Now, I'm going to go back to the triangular prism, but for the problem that we have a triangular prism that's actually laid down sideways, because that looks a little bit different from this thing. But do you see how they're both look kind of the same? Tell me yes or no. Do you see how this one I can just like place this in a different way and then it will get that? Okay, good, good, good. Because today we're going to do a lot of envisioning of three-dimensional figures in your head. So let's go back to this one. Oh, okay. All right, so the one that we have looks kind of like, I don't know, like an A-frame tent. That would be a good question. Say that you have an A-frame tent, where there's like a pole here and a pole there, and then there's a person sitting over here sleeping underneath the tent. All right, and say that this is a 6 meters, and the height from here to here is 6 meters as well, and the depth of this tent is 10 meters. Now, I'm going to throw this out to you folks. Since I already explained this to you, all you have to do is figure out what numbers to plug in where. How do I find the volume, pray tell, of this tent? Say that I were sleeping in this tent, and I close off the tent, and I want to figure out what is the volume of air that I have to breathe. Okay, Dawson is saying length times width times height, and I say no. No, no. Good try, though, Dawson. Volume is equal to not length times width times height. Now, just because I told Dawson no, 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 doesn't mean that you should be afraid of throwing out answers. Okay, all right, all right. So Sky is saying 1/2 base times width. I kind of agree with that. 1/2 base times width. And what is the base here and what is the width here? What numbers are the base and the width? All right, Sky is saying the base is 6 and the width is 6. I totally agree. But I would say this. You didn't find the volume. And here, let me tell you why you didn't find the volume. If I go 1/2 6 meters times 6 meters, what is 6 times 6? Or 6 meters times 6 meters? Anyone? Use your calculators. All right, 36. Close, Keely. It's 36 meters, not just meters, meters squared. Good, good, good. Meters squared. Good. All right. Now, if I multiply that by 1/2, what's half of 36? And do I need to change the units? Did I have a unit on the 1/2, or was it just on the 36? The answer is I don't need to change the units, mainly because the 1/2 ain't nothing but a number. So I've got 18 meters squared. I got a question for you, pray tell. Is 18 meters squared a volume? If I asked you, what is the volume of that container? You told me 18 meters squared. No, 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 no. All you told me was an area. And Sky was correct in telling me the right equation. That's this area right here. But I don't want just that area. I want you to take that area and stack it up like a bunch of pieces of paper. Yes, you're right, Keely. The answer in the end needs to be 18 meters cubed. Now, what do I do to the 18 in order to get the volume at this point? What's your thoughts? Come on, I got 20 seconds left. Multiply it by 10. Very good. So you took the area and then you multiply that by 10 meters. That gives you 180. And since there's a meter squared here, multiplied by a meter over here, you're going to get meters cubed. Hence, a volume. Thank you very much.